Welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss concepts and questions of pipes and cisterns. This is the seventh in the series of time and work videos that we are making. Students, the concepts of pipes and cisterns are no different from the regular time and work questions. Instead of two people working together, two taps or two pipes will be filling the tank together. Our only special case that we may come across in this concept is when one is a filling pipe, another is an emptying pipe. We'll discuss all of them with the help of these following examples. Let's take up the first one. Two taps A and B can fill an empty tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. Tap C can empty the tank in 30 minutes. If all the taps are opened simultaneously, in how many minutes can the tank be filled? Students, you know, like any regular time and work question, we have two approaches, unitary method and LCM method. We'll go by LCM method. LCM of the given numbers 15, 20 and 30, if you find out, it is 60. So now let the tank's capacity or the work is, let the tank's capacity or work is 60 units. Now A takes 15 minutes to fill means in 1 minute A can fill 60 by 15, 4 units. In 1 minute B can fill 60 by 20, that is 3 units. And whereas C can empty the tank in 30 minutes means in 1 minute C can empty 60 by 30, 2 units. So now when A, B and C all three work together, in 1 minute how much work is done means 4 plus 3. These two are filling and we have to fill the tank, so we'll add these two, and this is the third one. C is emptying the tank. Because it is emptying, we'll subtract it. That's the only difference here, whether two taps are filling or emptying. If both are filling, we're adding them. This is emptying, we're subtracting it. So 4 plus 3, 7 minus 2, 5 units work is done in 1 minute. To complete 60 units work, we require, the time required is 60 by 5, that is 12 minutes. Right? Let's take up one more example. Two taps A and B can fill an empty tank in 20 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. Tap A was initially open and after 3 minutes tap B was opened. If tap A is closed 5 minutes later, how many more minutes tap B will take to fill the remaining tank? So we have 20 minutes and 30 minutes. Let the tank's capacity or the work to be completed is 60 units. That is the LCM of 20 and 30. So what is 1 minute's work of A? In 1 minute's work of A is 60 by 20, 3 units. And 1 minute work of B is 60 by 30, 2 units. Now, in this kind of partially working together where one is opened first and then second one is opened a little later and one is closed a little early kind of questions, if you recall what we have discussed in partially working together video, we have to see that, you know, at the end of this, each one worked for how many minutes or how many hours or how many days depending on the units. Now that we have minutes here, we have to identify each tap is open for how many minutes finally. Let's take A. Initial 3 minutes A was alone. A was working alone. Then tap B was opened. Tap A was closed 5 minutes later means for these 5 minutes both A and B are working. So A works for this 5 minutes, B also worked for 5 minutes. Then tap A is closed. Now how many more minutes tap B will take means B has to take another X minutes means B will work for 5 plus X. So at the end of it, A worked for 8 minutes, 3 minutes alone, 5 minutes with the help of B. B worked 5 minutes with A and X minutes alone. So it is 5 plus X minutes. As we discussed, 1 minute work is 3 units. For A, 8 minutes means 18 to 3, 24 units. 5 plus X, 1 minute work is 2. 5 plus X will be 5 plus X into 2. The total work equals to 60 units. If you simplify this, 24 plus 10 plus 2x equals to 60. 2x equals to 34 goes other side 26, or x equals to 13. What is x? The number of minutes that B has to work alone. How many more minutes B should work means my answer is 13 minutes. Right? Let's take up one more question. This is the question based on the concept of working alternately. Let's take up two taps A and B can fill an empty tank in 60 minutes and 24 minutes respectively. If they are open for 1 minute each alternately, starting with tap A, in how many minutes will the tank get filled? Here 16 minutes and 24 minutes. So let the work, in this case the tank's capacity is LCM of 16 and 24, which is 48 units. Now A can fill it in 60 minutes, means in 1 minute A's work is 48 by, in 1 minute A's work is 48 by 16, that is 3 units. In 1 minute B's work is 48 by 24, 2 units. They're working alternately 1 minute each, means we have to find out what is one round or one cycle or one period equals to how much time. If you recall the discussion we had in earlier session on alternately working together, we have discussed that one round or one cycle or one period is the time that would have elapsed by the time each gets an equal opportunity. I suggest actually watch that video on alternately working together and then come to this. Now here, it starts with tab A. So first minute A will work, second minute B will work. They're working 1 minute each, alternately starting with A. So third minute again A will work, fourth minute B, means one round or one cycle is 2 minutes. So the second thing we have to ask ourselves is the work done in this one round. How much work is completed in one round? So each one is working for 1 minute, means A will complete 3 units, B will fill 2 units, 3 plus 2, 5 units work is done. In one round, 5 units work is done, but total 48 units, means we have to find out how many completed rounds will be there. So completed rounds will be 48 by 5, means it will be more than 9 less than 10, means completed rounds will be 48 by, because it's more than 9, we'll take 9 completed rounds. Because it is 9 point something, that partial round we cannot take it. So we'll take 9 completed rounds. In this 9 completed rounds, how much work is completed? So work completed in these 9 rounds is how much? Work completed in 9 rounds is 9 into 5, one round 5 units, 9 into 5, 45 units. So total work is 48 units, means now pending work is 1 unit. 48 minus 45, 3 units. And who will take up this pending work? It is started by tab A. So 9 rounds completed. In the 10th round, first minute, tab A will be opened. Tab A in 1 minute will fill 3 units. Pending work is also 3 units, means it will just require 1 minute to complete the tank. So that means the total work got completed in 9 rounds plus 1 full minute. 9 rounds is 18 minutes plus 1 minute, means my answer is 19 minutes. So our answer is 19 minutes. So like this, whatever we have done with alternately working concepts there, we are doing this year. So I hope you watched those earlier videos. Otherwise, I suggest before you watch this video on pipes and cisterns, you watch the regular time and work videos, and then if you can watch this, I think you'll get maximum benefit out of this. Students, for more on time and work, please reach my profile on Udemy. The link is given below, where you find a comprehensive course on time and work, ratio, proportion, variation. Thank you.